Hi, welcome back to A Day in the Life of Toby Renee. All right, so we are on day 3 of our barn renovation with Miss Keshia Knight Pulliam and her assistant Nia. So my crew is on the way. I wanted to start a little bit early today because we want to get everything finished today because I have a big weekend for my girl's birthday. Hey, Carmen. But anyway, so I'm going to walk you guys into the barn so you can see what we have going on. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm going to give you a reveal of what we did last week. All right, stay tuned. All right, so let's head into the barn. I wanted to show you guys our progress from last week. So excuse the mess. So Nia just started here. This is super damp, super wet. But it's dried over the weekend, so it's been curing for about 2-3 days. And it looks really, really great. Like, this is gonna be the perfect workout room for Brad. And actually, Miss Keshia is on her way. She's gonna join the team today and help us both finish this barn. But yeah, the oxidized metal drip just turned out really beautiful over the wood paneling. Gorgeous. All right, so I did want to show you guys the base coat we used. So we're using Makeover Sapphire Metal Paint. So this is our base. And I am doing a series on YouTube for this project. So check in on YouTube, get all the details. So we're gonna finish up this side today, but this is the finished product. And it turned out really beautiful. So we got one half of the barn done last week. It's a really big barn. And then we even did the door. Just a super, super fun project. We're turning this into a workout room for Keshia's husband, Brad. So yeah, it's just a really fun process that we're doing. I love it. Hi guys, we are finishing up the barn. It looks amazing. We got Miss Linda down here. Finishing up the far wall, and it looks really good. I haven't done oxidized metal in so long, so I forgot how much I liked it. But I sell this finish to a lot of male clients. Sorry, I didn't mean to get your booty. But look at it, it looks good.
Toby's, I'm photographical with this comment.
And we have the barn owner.
Look, every time you do it, I'm going to make fun of you.
We have the barn owner
Toby
in the house.
Toby, how long have I known you? Like almost 20 years, right?
22 years.
For 20 years.
Wait, all right. Let's see what Keshia thinks. Do you like it?
I love it.
Do you think Brad will like it?
I know he'll love it.
Okay, good. I'm a little nervous because he hasn't been over today, and I was like,
no, he was coming.
Are we fired?
No. Well, I gotta go get my kid from school.
Bye.
So,
thank you for your help pulling tape today.
you're so welcome. I know Toby
Right.
won't talk about my ass, but it's okay.
Only when she leaves.
No!
Oh, please be careful.
You know what?
All right.
No,
Love
I
you,
know
girl.
where you live.
She does know where I live, unfortunately. Hey guys, so we are done. We are finished with the barn renovation makeover, and I am really happy. Keshia's really happy, so let's see if Brad is gonna be happy. But it turned out really pretty, and I'll give you guys, hey Linda, I'll give you guys some up close. Look at that door. Yes, Nia for the door. Nia helped us with the project as well. So looks pretty. All right, so let me finish giving you a little walkthrough. So we had a little fun with this project. We did all of the doors. Really super dope. Everything came out really pretty. Let me do a quick walkthrough. Did all the doors, all the trim, the walls. So next, the gym flooring goes in, and we're excited about that. I think a big screen is going up here. This is being built out. But yeah, everything turned out really, really pretty. We were going for a very rustic kind of a feel on top of these wood. Are these called wood planks? Wood, I don't know. So again, we were going for a very rustic look. Okay, that's okay. Very rustic. I also do my outlet covers, so that's what Miss Linda is working on. And that kind of sets you apart too from other decorative artists. It's just the little things. But that turned out really, really pretty. I cannot complain at all. Keshia came home a little while ago. She saw it. She really liked it. Turned out beautiful. Oxidized metal, folks. And this is a great finish for guys. So in my Decorative Painting Academy, you learn what the men like to purchase. Good to know your customer. I actually softened this a little while ago. All right, so one last look. We are done. Just wanted to show you. Are you happy, Nia?
I'm very happy.
Just wanted to show you the final product and say, hey, Nia. Nia did an excellent job. She's an executive assistant to Keshia. She had no idea what was going on, but that's how good of a teacher I am. But yeah, I got her trained up in 2 days, and she jumped in and did this room with me, and it looks really good. Very impressed with Nia's work. All right, so